everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick review of the Kreo Condenser microphone unit and the boom arm accessory. Now I sourced this from Amazon for rupees 2300. I wanted a dedicated condenser microphone for the videos wherein I would do a voiceover, and all this while I was using the iPad's built-in microphone for the job. What we have here is an instruction flap. Then you have the microphone unit, a stand on which the microphone is mounted. Then you have this pouch which has this threaded base. I think it's meant for, threading this unit here like this. USB A to USB C cable, A to USB C converter, a few stickers. You also get this feedback reward form. So if you scan this QR code here and submit a feedback, Kreo is going to send you some mystery gift which they claim here. Now this is your boom accessory. Comes in a long box. What you get here is again a instruction flap. You get a pouch again. You get the base with a threaded clamp. You get an Allen key with a small neodymium magnet. Straps. This I presume is to tie your cable, a threaded adapter. Now this I presume is for this one here, and then you can use this to thread your mic. That's how you thread your mic to the boomer. You also get a couple of stickers here. Threaded mount. Secure it using this screw. Now let's come to the build quality. The microphone feels sturdy and quite well built. As you can see here, the plastic and the metal mesh used is of high quality, and there's a nice weight to it that gives it a very premium feel. And the stand is actually quite heavy, and it has a felt line base here so that it wouldn't scratch your tabletop. And I quite like the design. It's very sleek and very simple, and it feels like a premium product. It does not feel it's built to a cost. Now the boom rod accessory here, now this is a must have if you intend to do to capture recording from an instrument, or if you're doing your vocals, such as if you are doing a podcast and you don't have to be in close proximity to the table where the mic is. The arm helps the mic to be positioned anywhere you are, and it also helps declutter the table. It also lends a very professional appearance, which can be important if you're recording videos or conducting live streams. Okay, so now let's talk about the features. The USP of this mic is it has a built-in active noise cancellation system, or ANC as they call it. You can see it here. This is especially useful for reducing the background noise during recording. You can enable ANC by long pressing the top part of the mic right here. There's no tactile switch, so you won't get a feedback. But the series of LEDs here, that will indicate the status. Blue LED indicates that the ANC is on. A green is the normal recording mode. If you do a quick tap, it will mute the mic. So this LED gives us 3 indications. Now Kreo gives a 400-day warranty as indicated in the box right here. But for some reason, I don't know, they used to give a 500-day warranty before, as I found out from the image from one of the Amazon reviews. The warranty also holds good for the boom mic accessory. Guys, so I've connected the condenser microphone to the Windows laptop using the supplied USB cable, and it's a very straightforward connection. Plug and play, and it instantly recognized the mic, and I was able to do the recording without any additional, driver installation or things like that. So Windows recognizes this mic out of the box. So that's a good thing. And we'll be using Audacity to test the quality. So let's see how this goes. I've also connected the output of the mic to the audio unit. Now what we'll do is, let's put this microphone to test. I'm going to test it with 3 different devices. My iPad, a laptop and an Android smartphone. Now let's see how this mic performs across different platforms and how easy is it to set up and use. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to read out a few sentences and record it using the iPad's built-in microphone, the Kreo mic with the active noise cancellation off and the ANZ on. So let's start with the iPad first. With the iPad, there's a small catch. If you connect the mic to the iPad using the USB-C cable like I've done right here, it disables the built-in speakers. In fact, it wouldn't even route the audio to Bluetooth speakers. So what you have to do is, this mic has a 3.5 mm headphone output. So you have to use a 3.5 mm TRS cable, plug it into this headphone output jack on the mic, and route the audio from the mic to a set of speakers. This is just for the recording part. In case you have a studio monitor setup or something, that will be the best. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test to check the audio quality and clarity. I'm speaking at a normal volume and pace to ensure accurate representation of my voice. Testing complete. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test to check the audio quality and clarity. I'm speaking at a normal volume and pace to ensure accurate representation of my voice. Testing complete. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test to check the audio quality and clarity. I'm speaking at a normal volume and pace to ensure accurate representation of my voice. Testing complete. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test to check the audio quality and clarity. I'm speaking at a normal volume and pace to ensure accurate representation of my voice. Testing complete. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test to check the audio quality and clarity. Guys, I just wanted to show you, when you're inserting this adapter here, you have 2 ways of inserting it. You can either insert it this way and you can thread it, or you can do it the other way around. But I'll show you the right way to do it. You can also insert it this way. Now, the problem if you insert it this way is, there's no way you can remove this without using a set of pliers. I happen to get stuck, and that's the reason you see this indents where I use the pliers. So the right way of doing it is, I don't want others to get their equipment damaged. You have to insert it this way, where you see this slot here, so you can easily remove it. This is the right way of inserting it. So when you have the slot, you can easily remove this. Just put a coin or something and take it out. So it's that simple. So keep this in mind while attaching the mic to the boom accessory. Guys, after testing it with all the 3 devices, the iPad, laptop and an Android smartphone, I'm quite pleased with the results, especially with the active noise cancellation turned on. The setup was pretty much straightforward and plug and play. Like I mentioned before, the iPad routes the audio through the mic. So you're going to have to connect a set of external speakers through the 3.5 mm aux jack on the mic. However, that said, there is no mic sensitivity adjustment, and that sometimes results in echoing at times, so you'll have to adjust the volume of the speakers. If you're using a laptop, however, you can set the sensitivity using an application like Audacity. In fact, I am speaking through the mic right now, and the difference in clarity, I believe, is evident. So concluding the review, the Kreo Condenser mic is a wonderful investment and a great entry-level device for anyone in need of a good quality condenser microphone and is starting off the podcast or content creation journey. With its really good build quality, impressive features, great performance and value for money price tag, it is definitely worth considering for your recording setup. So that wraps up the review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.